Hi, real estate besties, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the best coffee shops in Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale is a beautiful city with a lot to offer, and there are so many great coffee shops to choose from. So if you're looking for a place to grab a coffee, relax, and catch a vibe, stay tuned and watch out for more. First on our list is Circle House Coffee Shop. Circle House Coffee is a great place to start your day. They have a wide variety of coffee drinks to choose from, as well as pastries and other snacks. The atmosphere is relaxed, it's inviting, and the staff is friendly and knowledgeable. Next, we have Press and Grind. Press and Grind is another great option for coffee lovers. They have a large selection of coffee drinks, as well as variety of food options. Their atmosphere is also modern, stylish, and the staff is friendly and attentive. Last but not least is Ann Flores Coffee Bar, located in downtown Las Olas. Ann Flores and Coffee Bar is a unique coffee shop, charming coffee shop that have a wide variety of coffee drinks as well, and a selection of flowers and gifts. The atmosphere is cozy and inviting, and the staff is always friendly. So there you have it, besties, some of my favorite coffee shops in Fort Lauderdale. So whether you're looking for a quick bite to eat or a place to relax, check out those favorites and make sure you subscribe to my channel.